What up, guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going back out to see Jay-Z rides and his 2018 Jeep Rubicon and see what he's done to this thing so far since our first big video that we ever did, coming up on 500,000 views. So let's get right into it.
What up, guys? It's cold one out here today, so I'm just getting right into it. This is the 2018 JL Rubicon. We've seen this before. So I'm gonna start off with the bumper. I mentioned I had a steel bumper group. You could add the winch onto it. You could add the stinger. You could add lights onto it. So I went right ahead. I ordered the Maximus 3 stinger for the JL Rubicon. I don't have the winch on there yet, but the stinger, it bolts right on using the pre-existing bolts. You can actually pop them out, and then you're gonna bolt this on from underneath. You gotta remove the winch delete plate, and you have to get underneath, which is a little challenging to do. If you're really good at it, you can get it done in about 45 minutes. If you have the right tools. Otherwise, it could take about 2 or 3 hours to install this. But as you can see, this is 2.5 inch steel right here. It's very tough. You know, it doesn't move, and it's a quality piece compared to, you know, the other stuff that's out there. So if you prefer the stock look, then this is a great stinger to go with. If you get the steel bumper group, like I said, it bolts right on, and you can do it yourself. Again, the winch will come later on. I like doing one thing at a time for now, but the winch will be added later on, and I'm going to put a light bar right here. I'm looking at the Rigid Industry 10-inch light bar. It's probably going to go on sometime in the spring. Alright, moving around to the side. Stuffy antenna. I've already had this, $35 off of Quadratech HD. Very little, probably no reception loss since I put it on. Very high quality antenna. The Roam Armor side steps for the JL. These have LED lights installed in the side here. So when you unlock the Jeep, they will automatically come on if you hook them up. Right now they're not hooked up, but it's a feature if you want. Otherwise, if you don't like it, you can always cover these up somehow. You know, some guys use black tape, or they just pop them out. So as you can see with the side armor steps, it's a very tight fit here, so they don't hang down low. These are, you know, high quality steel. They weigh, I believe, 50 pounds each, and they go for $500 off the Roam website. Right now it's sold exclusively by them. They seem to be a small company. When I had them shipped out here, they were a little scratched up because they weren't packaged properly. But if you get the truck bed liner spray from Home Depot for like $9, you get a can of it. You can spray right over it, and the color is almost exactly the same color. Moving to the rear. In order to fit the spare tire on here, this is a 35-inch tire, you're not able to use the stock carrier, so you have to get an aftermarket carrier. This is the Smittybolt tire carrier. All it is really is just a spacer that bolts onto the stock tire carrier. It moves it up 1.5 inches, and then it moves it away from the Jeep another 1.5 inches. And this way you can clear the bottom right here. As you can see, there's plenty of clearance. There's a little over 1 inch of clearance right here, and you know, no problems at all putting on a 35-inch. It'll work up to a 37-inch tire. You know, and like I said, it's only 1.5 inches up higher. Some of the other carriers out there will go even higher up, and you lose your entire back window visibility. So if you care about the visibility, this is a good one. The Smittybolt tire carrier for the JL Rubicon will give you probably the most room back here to look out the window. You are going to have to move the third brake light up. There's just one screw back here that gets removed. Alright, so with the Smittybolt spare tire carrier, you're going to have to extend your bump stops. I did a little do-it-yourself video on my channel, Jay-Z Rides. Basically a homemade bump stop extension, very cheap, about $4. No one really looks back here, so I don't really care about the tape, but you can go out on eBay, you get them for like $30 and you have to trim them down to fit your tire. But this one you can do, go to Home Depot, you get a little piece, and you know, it's secure right on there. I've had it on there for about 4,000 miles. No wiggle room. That thing is solid. It's not going anywhere.
How many miles you got on it so far, Jay?
So it just hit 5,300 miles. I had my first oil change today at the Jeep dealership. With the Jeep Wave program, your first 4 are free, but you got to use them within 2 years of the service date.
All right, guys, that is going to do it for this upload. Make sure you subscribe to Jay-Z Rides. I will be putting his name up on the screen right now. And also check out our video that we did, our very first video that we did that is doing so well. And give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to MDG Collections if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be a wrap.